Discover 5 powerful strategies for generating passive income on MEXC cryptocurrency exchange. Strategy 1. Harness MEXC token. Airdrops for daily rewards. The more tokens you hold, the higher your earnings potential. Maximize profits through MEXC's tiered referral program. Commission rates increase based on your holdings and referral duration. Benefit from MEXC token appreciation through long-term holding. As MEXC grows, so does the value of your tokens. Participate in Launchpad and Kickstarter events for high returns and exclusive access to new projects. Leverage staking and savings options for steady interest income. Compare flexible and fixed staking to find your best fit. Maximize your passive income potential by combining multiple strategies on MEXC. Take action and start building your passive income stream on MEXC today. Click the link below to create your MEXC account and unlock these passive income opportunities.